Designers, you came! This episode, Soda Master Designs is sponsored by Zola Bakes. All now available on Amazon.com and available in stores. You now coming in 3 different flavors: raspberry, Nutella, and apricot. These treats are always available on any occasion. From parties to Christmas events, even at weddings. You can even bring them on a cruise to share with your friends and family. So grab yourself a treat from Zola Bakes and enjoy the flavor. And remember, always stay on your sweet behavior. You love 'em? We got 'em. So come on down. Hey guys, did you enjoy the commercial? I did. Trust me, when you open your eyes, their treats are like fireworks in your mouth. Tonight's episode, we're going to draw Nosankyu from Yokai Watch 2. Nosankyu is a Heartful Tribe yokai who can turn anyone he inspires into very selective on what they want to eat. This guy is a completely picky eater. And if there's something he doesn't want to try out, sometimes he says awkward things like, "No, thank you." Nosankyu is a purple sand mound with lightning bolts and thunderclouds surrounding his body. See what I mean? I'm drawing them right now. Here's his sand mound. are. There we are. That's a drawn nosankyu. From Yokai Watch 2. If I was nosankyu, I would say... Give me a minute. Okay. If I was nosankyu, if I saw Zola Banks, I'd say... I'd give it a shot. After all, Zola Banks is welcome to everyone, including you, nosankyu. Anyhow, that is how you draw a nosankyu. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And please sponsor to Zola Bakes Rainbow Cookies. And let me know what kind of yokai you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.